Hi everyone, this is Dave, and what I've got here is the HomTom S9 Plus. This is an Android 7 version smartphone with a really nice large screen. It's also got a fingerprint reader. It's also got a little tiny camera just in this bottom corner, which is a little bit of a different design, and also dual cameras on the back. Now the specifications for the price point are quite simply amazing, so let's jump into those specifications right now. So the HomTom S9 Plus has an octa-core processor. It supports 2 nano SIM cards, or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card to expand the memory. It's also got GPS built in, a 6-inch HD Plus screen which runs at 720 by 1440 resolution. The main camera on the rear is 16 megapixels, with that secondary camera being a 5 megapixel shooter. The camera on the front is 13 megapixels, and with regard to memory, we've got 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. The battery is a really impressive 4,000 milliamp hour capacity, which should keep the S9 Plus running for a long time. Now, during my testing period with the S9 Plus, I've been really impressed with the cameras. Maybe not quite up to flagship quality, but very close. The actual performance of the smartphone is very snappy indeed, and I like the overall build quality and feel of this. It's not too angular on the corners. We've got a nice sort of design aesthetic, and I think they've just done a really good job. The screen goes nice and bright, a little bit reflective in direct sunlight, but overall a really good performance when it comes to screen quality. And I've really enjoyed using this for watching back YouTube videos and doing some social media and networking as well. Now, I think that overall HomTom have done a really good job with the S9 Plus. I think it really goes to show that you don't have to spend flagship money to get good performance. This is really well built and delivers on all fronts. If you've got any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the links to where you can pick up this for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.